Hello, do you want your hair to grow like this or that? Here are 5 easy steps to get rid of bald head for both men and women. Make sure you subscribe and most importantly like the video. Step 1. Get some good onions from the market. Step 2. Peel off the upper skin layer. Step 3. Make sure you wash thoroughly. Step 4. Slice into small portions. Step 5. Pure slices of onions into blender. Step 6. Squeeze out the onion juice. Step 7. Apply juice solution into bald area of the hair scalp. Continue to do this for a week or more for best results. Thanks for watching.